In the high-stakes world of Wall Street, a new breed of gambler emerged, the Quants. Today, we're diving deep into Scott Patterson's explosive book. The Quants tells the story of the math wizards who conquered the stock market only to nearly destroy it. Let's break down all 14 chapters. Chapters 1 and 2 introduce the pioneers like Ed Thorpe. We see the transition from blackjack tables to the biggest casino of all, the stock market. It wasn't just gambling, it was about finding an edge, using probability to beat the house and eventually the market. By chapters 3 and 4, the machines take over. We meet key players like Ken Griffin and Jim Simons, building algorithms that trade faster than humans ever could. The logic was pure, the math was elegant. They believed they had solved the market, eliminating risk through superior intelligence. In chapters 5 and 6, we see the cracks forming. As volatility rises, the very models designed to protect them start to amplify the danger. Hubris set in. The Quants believed they were invincible, ignoring the chaotic human element that math couldn't always predict. Chapters 7 through 9 detail the catastrophic meltdown, the 2007 quant quake and the 2008 financial crisis where liquidity vanished instantly. Fortunes evaporated in days. The models failed because they relied on history repeating itself, but this was unprecedented. Chapters 10 to 12 cover the fallout. Some survived, some were wiped out. It was a brutal lesson in leverage and interconnected risk. But the Quants didn't disappear. They adapted, they rebuilt their models, this time with a wary eye on the black swan events. Finally, chapters 13 and 14 ask, have we learned anything? The book ends with a warning that the monster they created is still lurking in the servers. One striking quote from the book captures it perfectly. The market is a poker game, and the Quants are the players who can count the cards. Another powerful insight. Truth is what you can calculate. It shows their absolute faith in numbers over intuition. Today, the legacy lives on. Companies like Renaissance Technologies, Two Sigma, D.E. Shaw, and Citadel dominate the landscape. They manage billions, using vastly more computing power than the pioneers ever dreamed of. But a new player has entered the game. The future is artificial intelligence. The old Quants wrote rules. The new AI writes its own rules, learning patterns humans can't even see. As AI integrates with investing, we're moving from mathematical models to autonomous learning systems. The speed and complexity will only increase. The Quants is a must-read warning and history lesson. As we embrace AI in finance, understanding this history is more crucial than ever. Thanks for watching. What do you think about AI taking over the stock market? Let me know in the comments.